Hi guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install LibreOffice on Windows. In the previous video, we learned how to download and install LibreOffice on Mac OS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install on Windows. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your browser and type LibreOffice. So as you know, if you don't have enough money to buy Office 365 like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and etc., so you should install LibreOffice, which is free. It's open source and it's compatible with any Office file format. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay. The first link, this is the official website where you can download and install LibreOffice. Okay, click on that. As you can see here, we have download, click on download LibreOffice, and here we have different option. You can choose operating system, so I'm going to download for Windows, so click on download. It will be downloading, as you can see here. As you see, the download is finished. Let's go to download folder. As you can see, this is the setup, so let's install it. Double click on the setup, and let me minimize, and yeah, just follow the instruction. It's very easy to install. Click on next. You can choose typical or custom. You will choose which program you want to install, but I'm going to be typical, so click on install. It's installing, as you can see. It's validating the installation, updating the component and registration. Yeah, it's installing. So if you're new here, and please do subscribe my channel, and yeah, share with your friends and like the video. Thank you so much in advance. The installation is finished. Just click on finish and go to search menu and type LibreOffice. As you can see, it has been installed successfully. Let's open it. It has been successfully opened, and yeah, now you can use it. Now you can. This is LibreOffice, which is free. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.